Don't be worried, take it easy. Let's welcome Daikon. Daikon is indigenous to the warm coast of Europe and Asia. It appeared around 4,500 years ago and is an ancient vegetable. Daikon is very common in our lives. We can see it in soup, in noodles, and even in turnip cake during the Chinese New Year. Daikon tastes fresh and light, so it can be easily mashed with other ingredients. This popular vegetable used to be a rare treasure in the past. In ancient Egypt, daikons were once the wages of workers. Everyone lined up to get daikons. In the Tang Dynasty of China, the yield of daikon was low, so it became an exclusive food of the royal family. At that time, the first empress, Wu Zetian, found that it tastes like swallow nest, which is a noble food, and she even called it the veggie swallow nest. Okay, bye.